The hum is a fascinating phenomenon that captivates both scientists and enthusiasts alike. It's a mysterious, low-frequency sound that some people hear, often described as a persistent humming or buzzing. This sound is reported in various locations around the world, but it's most famously associated with Taos, New Mexico. What's intriguing is that not everyone can hear it. Estimates suggest only about 2% of the population can pick up on this sound. Theories abound regarding its origin, some attribute it to industrial noise, while others speculate it could be geological in nature, like vibrations from the Earth. Interestingly, the hum has sparked a range of reactions, from annoyance to curiosity, leading to investigations and even research studies. Some have suggested it might be linked to tinnitus, while others believe it could be a unique auditory phenomenon. Regardless of its source, the hum Taos remains an enigma, inviting people to explore the intersection of sound, perception, and the mysteries of our environment.